more respect, he's going to be stepping in correctly. Right. He's going to be stepping in one leg in the middle. That way he doesn't get caught in that trap. Okay. He's going to look to try to push me down. Right. Try to drive this thing down. Just, you know, we would all do the same thing, right? Yeah, but I want to show you guys a little bit. Try to do that again, Father. So here he steps in the middle. All right, I'm going to move back. All right. So he's going to be trying that. All right, he's going to be trying that. I'm going to start moving back. Should I step in the middle? I'm going to start moving back. Start moving back. Come on. Oh, now I get here. Now look. This leg. Right here. I'm going to stand up in base. Take him down there. Okay. Want to try to here. When I go, I want to curl this leg and keep it. Same thing with my arm here. So I got one going one way and one going the other way. Okay? Now I'm just going to stand right up in base. Take him down. You guys see? Okay? Let's go.